Good morning guys, in front of me is TECNO Camon 20 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, open the settings, then go to security and select fingerprint. Now you have to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. I will pick pattern, so let me draw the unlock pattern, click on next, re-enter it, confirm, okay, re-enter it again, confirm, and now manage your notification content. So I would like to hide everything, that's why I mark the third option, click on done, and now it's time to enroll your fingerprint. So just click on add a fingerprint, and as you can see, fingerprint sensor is located on your power button, so all you have to do is to grab your phone and enroll your fingerprint. So just tap on next and smoothly do it. Keep tapping till it's fully added. You will be informed once it's enrolled. Tap on finish, and that's it. As you can see, from now on you can unlock your phone with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.